Okay, welcome to Gold's Garage. Today we are going to document a short video of my latest project. Haven't made one for a while. In fact, a few engines have got out of here without getting documented. And so I'm going to give you a little description of this one. This engine is out of a C3 Corvette, and this is one of those reality TV stories, father and son deal, where the father doesn't know, that's nice, that we're making this video right now. So it's going to be a surprise deal. So the C3 Corvette had not run for 30 years. It was stored, and the son brought it to me. We took the engine out of it, and he's back doing the rest of the restoration while I got the engine running. So this engine was totally seized, and we took it out, took it all apart, and it needed a rebuild anyway. So we've got a complete blueprint job of it. It's an L48, which was kind of the standard Corvette engine in the 70s. It was an emission engine. So the original engines made only about 200 horsepower, and so it wasn't hard to improve on it. So since then I've added dome pistons to make up one compression ratio. So we've gone from about 8.4 to about 9.5 compression ratio. And I've added a camshaft, which is a little less anemic than the original. The original was only about 400 thousandths lift, and this camshaft is about 445 on the exhaust and 425 on the intake. So we gained about 40 thou on both the intake and exhaust. That is a Holley carburetor. They came with a quadrajet carburetor, but the original owner, converted it. That's what they call a Holley spread bore, and it bolts right onto a quadrajet manifold. So that's all rebuilt. We've also installed Protronics ignition system that had original ignition points when we started, and so with the Protronics it should fire a little better and run good. So I've already warmed it up once. We checked the compression, the leak down, oil pressure, vacuum, all that stuff is great. So, so we're going to give it a fire here and let you see it run, and that'll be it. We'll keep on. Okay, so just quickly, those couple of improvements should bring this old L48 low compression engine from about 200 to pretty close to 300 horsepower. It'll still work great with stock gears and stock torque converter, but it'll give the owner a little more power than he's used to. So it's going to be a nice surprise when the original owner gets to take it for a ride. So just wanted to get that documented basically for the owner who couldn't be here, and we'll be using it as a surprise to the original owner when that happens too. Thanks for watching.